Please compare questions and answers in exercise 24. They need to match in context and in grammar. For example, kako je tvoja mama? How is your mom? D. Ona je dobro, hvala. She is well, thank you. 2. Šta radi tvoja sestra? What does your sister do? F. Ona je programer. She is a programmer. 3. Koliko godina imaju tvoje ćerke? How old are your daughters? E. One imaju 6 i 9 godina. They are 6 and 9 years old. 4. Ko je Pablo? B. On je student iz Barcelone. Who is Pablo? He is a student from Barcelona. 5. Gde je tvoja kancelarija? U centru grada je. C. Where is your office? It is in the city center. In Serbian, sometimes when we omit the subject, for example, I could say moja kancelarija je u centru grada, then we have the construction subject, verb object. Moja kancelarija subject, je verb, u centru grada, the location. However, here we've omitted the subject moja kancelarija because it's implied in the question. So the verb remains in the second position. But here it means that it's at the end of the sentence. U centru grada je. It's similar like when you say dobro je, it's good. 6. Kako se prezivaš? What's your surname? A. Petrović. Exercise 25 we'll do in the next video, where you'll be able to translate the text and write it down if you wish.